Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Kenmore HF5010, 3-in-1 cordless wet vacuum, hard floor cleaner with automatic air drying. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: combine chores. Vacuum and wash your floors simultaneously instead of doing double the work. 22.2 volts cordless freedom. Swivel around corners and furniture effortlessly with up to 35 minutes of runtime. Self-cleaning plus system. Keep your hard floor cleaner fresh and always ready to use with the built-in self-cleaning system that both cleans and dries the brush roll. Edge cleaning. Designed to clean right up to baseboards and cabinets. LED display. Control the cleaning mode, view the battery level and more with colorful LED display. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is 2-tank technology. Separate clean and dirty water tanks ensure you're always cleaning with fresh solution. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.